have been doing a lot of housing programs. The very first housing program that we did was in Marawi, right after the Marawi siege. And then in 2020, in December of 2020, may magkakasunod na typhoon in the Philippines, Typhoon Rolly, Typhoon Ulysses, maraming na wala ng bahay. We did a housing project in Ginubatan, Albay. May isang village, there are a number here from Albay. May isang village doon na natabunan ng lahar.
Yes.
So yung natabunan ng lahar, we went to the mayor, si Mayor Gemma, sinabi namin, baka meron kang lupa na mas safer na lugar, we're willing to build houses, and nagbigay sila ng lupa. And you know, we are able to build more houses because our costs are low. We are able to build houses 60,000 pesos. Ano to ha, concrete? Concrete na mga 40 to 50 square meters. Partner namin ang IKEA. And IKEA has been giving furnitures. So mga furnitures sa mga houses namin ay IKEA. Diba? Social. Talo nga kami sa bahay. Hindi kami IKEA. Pero the reason why I'm telling you this is it's all a product of bayanihan.
Yes.
Yes.